that's a wrap. This is the end of our website and user insights module. You should now have enough information to be able to fully understand what happens on your website and how to identify pain points for users in order to be able to fix them and have the best possible user experience. This is also the end of our beginner's course about SEO and analytics. If you want to learn more about the topics we covered in these modules, follow our future courses. They will provide more in-depth details about all the things we discussed here. For now, we hope this course provided you a solid introduction into the basics of what you need for a successful website. So use the information wisely, try things out for yourselves, and get back to the course contents whenever you feel there is something you did not fully understand. Also use the additional resources like our blog and support pages on the Visitor Analytics website, where you can find a lot more extra information on all of these things. Until the next course, bye-bye, take care of yourselves, and it was a pleasure to serve as your trainer. Goodbye.